Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Instagram password. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Then tap on Profile icon. Now go to the three lines at the top and tap on Settings and Privacy. When you are on this page, tap on Account Center at the top. Now go to Password and Security. Now just type in your current password. Then input your new password twice. Tap Save to confirm and your password will be changed. Now you can log in using your new password. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.